Okay, well this video is going to be of my cats. This one is Sha Sha, which would be French for cat cat. Sha, C-H-A-T, so French for cat. So he's begging for food. It's food time, so I have to feed them, but decided to make this video real quick before I did that. Whoa, oh shit. But yeah, then over here we have Yosh trying to run away, and then Mojo. Look at Mojo. See, hi there, Mojo. Come here, Yoshi. Come here. Come on, Yosh. There he is. He's the whiner of the family. But yeah, Mojo. So here are the three of my cats. Alright, that ends this video. Alright, goodbye.